huge setup right now.
Oh, we have the snacks, Annie Mae. Don't you worry about that. We've got Ava Uppal here joining us, and Zoya. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, thank you for having us.
We love having you guys, and we love your family-friendly approach here to Super Bowl. Talk to us a little bit about what you got here, a Snackadium, right?
Yes. I'm here for the snacks. I don't know much about football, but I'm here for the snacks. And I love to host a good party, or, you know, just for my family at home, which is what I'm doing this Sunday. So this is super easy to throw, actually. We need a tablecloth, a football tablecloth. And then here, I left it blank to show you. We need a separator, an acrylic separator, serving tray, and a paper cup, small paper cup. You just add that at the bottom.
Oh, super easy.
Here we go. And then you fill it up with your favorite savory and sweet snacks. And I have a few to demo with you today.
Yes, awesome. Let's get into it, because this is a great option for the kids out there. If I was a kid and I walked in and saw this, I would be like, let me go straight to that, right?
And they have so much fun, not only eating, but also decorating.
Right. Okay, so let's get into the little options we've got here.
Yeah, here we have some Team Spirit cupcakes. I see it's supposed to put on a cupcake. So here we have Team Spirit pumpkin cupcakes. We have some red and green, obviously.
Yes,
and
yes.
so Zoya, should we do chocolate or vanilla for
Zoya
the
said
Eagles?
she's here for the icing. Girl, I get it.
The sprinkles? I think she choose chocolate. So I know we're short on time here. You know, Sunday is coming up soon. Don't worry about baking from scratch. Grab some baking mixes.
Okay.
And here you go. You've got your cupcakes.
I can make one.
Have some little frosting color with red and green. Here is one for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Zoya, would you like to add some? Look at what Zoya did.
And these are, you call these little pom-pom cupcakes, right?
Yes. We use a grass tip, and it's super easy. You just press at the bottom of the cupcake, and you press your head up. And then here we have some sprinkles that are gold for the chips, and some silver sprinkles for the Eagles.
I'm going to do gold and green just because I'm cheering for both teams.
Yeah, that's what we're wearing, you know, neutral color today.
There we go. Okay, that's so cute and so fun, and super easy for the kids to make.
Super easy. And here's another thing that Zoya loves. Zoya, would you like to show us the coconut tip? Yes, so here's some coconut, shredded coconut. You're gonna grab some, add it into a plastic bag. Great job, Zoya. And yeah, we're making green. We're making green what? Green grass. So you're gonna add some food coloring in a Ziploc bag, and that's what it looks like. Great job, Zoya. Absolutely. You just close that and shake it and shake it. Would you like to shake it for us, Zoya? Yeah. So you're gonna shake it, and then it will become like a green grass that you can add in your serving trays. It will make a cool effect of the stadium.
We have that over here. You can kind of see in between the cupcakes. Super cute. And you've also got these cute little brownie-shaped footballs that are also pretty easy to make,
this is very easy as well. Just bake your brownie. You're gonna mold it with your hand into a football. Grab some white icing. I have some here for you.
Perfect.
Good job, Zoya. Look at that. She's working on some chips cupcake. Never mind. It's going back in the mouth. And you're going to just add some line at the center to make it look like a football. And here is your brownie. Super easy, right?
Oh, yeah. I love that. All right. Well, we got 30 seconds until the end of the show, but you've got some cookies as well we can make. It's easy, too.
Jersey cookies. And then you're going to grab some frosting. Again, red or green. Zoya, which one should we do? Red or green?
I've got a little collection of all these fun little things.
So you can add some frosting on your cookie, and it will become like this gorgeous jerseys. You can add your favorite number on it, and it's a fun activity. Look at that. Zoya is doing it right now. She's doing so good. You can use spoons or forks, anything that you have in your kitchen. And this is a great way to distract the kids, too, as well, and give them some activity. She's not going to sit and watch the whole game, right? So this is super fun that they can make, eat, enjoy, and have great memories.
Oh, we love this. Ava, thank you so much. We always love when you come in and come up with some creative ideas. Look at this. I mean, so easy. You can do it at home, super cheap, and it keeps the kids entertained as well. Thanks so much. Always good to have you.